most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
We're
therapist.
the most famous physical therapist on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, we're going to show you 3 ways you can do spinal decompression. It's simple, it's easy, it's do it yourself.
There you go.
Even an idiot could do it.
Bob, why, Bob? Why?
If you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you're going to want to join us on our social media channels, even our website, bobandbrad.com, because we're always giving away something, Brad. Always.
And today?
And today we're giving away the SleepOvation Mattress.
There
Wow,
you
isn't
go.
that cool? A mattress. Any size.
You've been taking commercial lessons.
Yeah, apparently I have. But if you go to giveaways on Bob and Brad, or otherwise, if you go to Bob and Brad on Facebook, it's always pinned to the top of the page.
There you go.
All right, Brad. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to lengthen the spine. One, this is going to help with your posture. But 2, let's bring the spine up here, Brad. So we got a spine right here. And this is where your head would be, and this is your pelvis. It's actually facing this way right now.
Sure, yeah. Right there.
But if you look, and we're going to have Liz go a little bit closer here. Oh, Brad's going to grab his pen. If you look a little closer here, between each of the vertebrae, there's a hole there, and out of the hole, that's where the spinal nerve roots come.
Right. So they're called foramen, and you can see every level has on. You got these up and down your whole spine. So if we decompress or pull them apart, it allows them more room.
Right.
If they're getting pinched.
And conversely, if you kind of have poor posture, you start getting arthritis, or you have a herniated disc, that can put pressure on that nerve. So the hole gets smaller.
Right.
But this way, see, with a little decompression, with a little lengthening of the spine, we can actually give a little gapping there. And you might stretch the capsule here,
Right.
which will actually maybe leave it stay that way.
Right.
I mean, you're going to feel better after you stretch out.
Right. This is the type of thing, when you do it, it should feel good. And when you're done, it should continue to feel good. It's pretty, I mean, we're pulling pretty hard here. Your spine doesn't
Won't get that much.
pull a half-inch apart. This is, happens at a small level.
We're just trying to demonstrate.
Right.
So anyway, we're going to show you 3 different ways. Let's start off with the first one. The first one, you actually can grab like the top of a door,
Yep.
or you can grab the top of a cabinet.
This happens to be just about the right height for me. I can grab here, hold, and I just let down.
Let it go down, and you can let the pressure. Now make sure it's something sturdy.
Yeah, if you get the cabinets falling on top of you, obviously.
Right, you want to maybe give a little pressure first to make sure it's not going to suddenly give way. If you have a pull-up bar, you can also just kind of lean back.
Right. I'm not going to hang all my body weight on here.
Sure.
I'm starting here. I'm just going down until I feel that stretch. And right now it feels really good. And I still got a fair amount of weight. My feet are stable. And I got a nice stretch going there.
Do you want to show Brad how you do it with a door and a belt?
Sure.
And again, this needs to be probably a commercial door. Because you could definitely pull one of those hollow core doors right off your...
Right. You just need something solid to put a belt around. Obviously would not do it on a cabinet.
Especially our crooked door cabinets.
Right. But over the top of a sturdy, strong door, you would go like this.
And you're going to take it over here then, Brad?
If you had an eye bolt into a stud or something on the joist, you could do it that way. And I'm not going to hang. I'm just going to hold here and use those for some handholds with the belt. And I'm just going to drop down.
And he even can kind of push his butt back a little bit here. All right, no prison jokes here, okay? All right, but he's lengthening his spine here, and he's putting a little bit of arch in his back, and that all will help put that spine in the right position and give it a little bit of stretch.
Yep, and you can go at different angles. Like here, I can feel it stretches at a different angle, and actually feels better for me here than when I'm underneath it. So you have to experiment with that.
Yeah, you may want to look around the house. Is there somewhere you can grab onto a ledge, that'll let you do that stretch? I'll show you one where you don't need any of that. You can just do it on the floor. This was invented by Brian Mulligan, one of his exercises. So you can kneel down on your knees, and you're going to actually put your knees wider than your shoulders because you want to be able to sit back a little bit. So I'm going to put my hands out here, and I'm going to go ahead and lower my butt down and push it back while I'm holding my hands here. Is my back fairly straight, Brad? or not?
Well, you've got a little arch here. It's fairly straight.
Yeah.
Yep. I mean, are you trying to arch this part of your
I'm
back?
trying
or no?
to. There's no arch left there.
Yeah, so you can feel a stretch.
Yeah, I can feel the stretch all the way through. Just a real simple one to do.
Yeah, that analogy of the cloth you're wearing is stretched out, and it's the same thing with your muscles and your spine. It all stretches just like his shirt is stretching.
And again, all these should feel good. We're not. This is not no pain, no gain.
Right.
This is ones that should be no pain. That's good.
Right.
So
Or it should feel better, like you get that decompression that feels good.
And we've showed this one many times, but this is always one of our favorites too. And this is one too where you need to have a good solid chairs in order to perform this. And it's not like you got to hold yourself up completely. All you got to do is get your arms straight. They're going to be straight like this. I'm going to look straight ahead.
Lock those elbows.
Lock the elbows, and I'm just going to lean forward like this and get up onto my toes. And this, I'm not putting my full weight on my arms, but a lot.
Yeah.
And this is just to get a little stretch. What's nice about this one is you can do it throughout the day. You can do it.
Sure.
You can do it every hour if you want, just to give yourself some quick relief.
Yeah.
So
the thing about this one is you have to learn how to relax your stomach muscles.
Yeah, let everything fall.
Yeah, you'll go out there, and if you got really tight stomach muscles, you won't get that decompression or the traction. And after you do this a couple times, you'll learn to relax it. And like right now, I got it relaxed, and there we go. It feels good. The other one that I have done with some people at home, we don't have a kitchen counter, a corner.
Sure.
But in the corner, and this is where you don't have to worry about it being strong enough. If the countertop goes here, and you have a counter here and a counter here.
Oh, that's a good one, Brad.
Then it'd be like this.
Sure.
You go right into the corner of the kitchen countertop here, and then you can do that. It usually works best to face away from it. You can do it this way, and you do whatever feels best, but that's a good solid way to do it.
Yeah, I could see that. That would work out actually pretty good. You probably could just... Well, that still won't work as well as a corner.
Yeah, the corner... It works a little nice.
Right. Yeah, you get right into there. So
there you go. All kinds of things at home.
We're doing things on the fly here, Brad. Boy,
I just thought of that one. I don't know why I didn't think of it before.
Yeah, I don't know either. I can't.
They got the memory thing. I'm going to do a video on memory coming up too, so it all fits together.
If we remember to do it. All right. Thanks for watching, folks.